watching News 8.
CPA Michelle Stabell is back with us. Michelle, thanks for a few minutes. Good to see you.
Thanks for having me, Mark.
So we're talking this morning about electric cars and a federal tax credit. What is the tax credit?
So there's up to a $7,500 federal tax credit on eligible plug-in hybrids and electric vehicles right now.
How does it work then? So I go and I look at a vehicle, then what?
Yep, so it's only on eligible vehicles. So before you complete your search, make sure you hop out to the fueleconomy.gov website and find out what the credit is for the vehicle you're looking at. And then if you are the original purchaser of that vehicle, then when you file your tax return next year, you might be eligible for an up to $7,500 credit.
All right, let's make an important distinction right there. You say eligible purchaser. This is for purchases, not leases, correct?
Correct. If you're leasing a vehicle, then you would not be eligible for this tax credit.
All right, let's bring in the tax liability component of this, because some people won't be able to take full advantage of this tax credit, will they?
True. If a taxpayer's tax liability is only $5,000, which is the case for many taxpayers, or at least their tax liability is less than the full $7,500 potential credit, they would not be able to take advantage of the full credit. Whatever credit is not used is not refundable. It does not carry forward. It does not transfer to a future buyer of the vehicle. So keep that in mind. Taxpayers might not get the full $7,500 benefit, and that might weigh into the decision of purchasing the vehicle.
And let's just hit this point again about the manufacturers, because some makes and models are not eligible for this tax credit, correct?
Very true. One, it depends on the size of the battery pack, so hop out to that website and make sure that the manufacturer and model qualify. And then also, manufacturers can only sell 200,000 vehicles to be eligible for this credit. So, for example, Tesla and General Motors have already reached that threshold. So any future vehicles that Tesla and General Motors sell would not qualify for this credit. All
right, and that's why you got to go to that website again, fueleconomy.gov. Hey, one last point here. Yeah. It's not tax specific, but it is money specific. There's a rebate here in New York as well, right?
Yes, there's also an up to $2,000 rebate that taxpayers could get faster than filing their tax return, potentially. I believe it happens right at the dealer level. It's not a tax credit. It doesn't go on the New York tax return, but make sure you talk to the dealer if you are interested and find out how much potential New York rebate would be eligible for the car you're purchasing as well.
All right, and if you put all that together, you do have the possibility of $9,500 toward that purchase. So that's a significant sum of money.
Absolutely.
Michelle, fascinating. Thanks for the time. We appreciate it.